Welcome to this Redkey USB technical information video. Today, we'll guide you through using Redkey USB on some modern Dell computers equipped with NVMe solid-state drives. Sometimes these computers might not detect the hard drive as expected when using Redkey. If you come across a message stating, "A RAID controller has been detected on your system, but no disks have been identified," don't worry. This is a common issue, and it can be resolved by adjusting your computer's BIOS settings. This change will enable Redkey to recognize the drive. Let's walk through the process. Start by inserting your Redkey USB into a USB port on the Dell computer. Turn on the computer and immediately press the boot options key repeatedly. This key is often F12, but it can vary depending on the model. When you're in the boot options menu, go to Other Options and select BIOS Setup. In the BIOS setup, navigate to the System Configuration submenu, and then choose the SATA operation submenu. Here, switch the mode from RAID on to AHCI. You'll see a warning dialog. Simply confirm the change by selecting Yes. Next, press Apply to save your changes and accept any warnings. Then, select Exit to leave the BIOS menu. Your computer will restart. As the computer restarts, press F12 again, but this time, select your Redkey from the Boot Options menu. Let the Redkey software load. For this demonstration, we're using the Advanced menu, but you can choose the mode that suits your needs. You'll notice that Redkey now detects the computer's disk, allowing you to proceed with the wipe. After completing the wipe, shut down the Redkey software and wait for the system to completely shut down before removing the Redkey. To reset the BIOS settings, power on the computer again without the Redkey and press F12 to enter the BIOS menu. Return to the SATA operation submenu and change the setting back to RAID on. Apply these changes and exit the menu. Congratulations! Your computer is now ready for recycling or for a fresh installation of an operating system like Windows. Thank you for watching this Redkey USB guide. For more tips and information, stay tuned to our channel.